Hi guys, welcome back with me, Masa saja. Warm wishes to all of you. Right now, I'm with Coco, Jojo, and Miumiu. Hi. Happy Independence Day, Indonesia, Merdeka. Here, we are going to decorate cake in Monas Monument idea. Let's go. Miumiu, do you know that we are going to celebrate the Independence Day today? Yes, of course, my master. Master! 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 May we join in it, my master? Yes, certainly. Come and join us. According to the Wikipedia report, the national monument is located right in the middle of MERDEKA Square, Central Jakarta, Indonesia. Monas is a 132-meter high memorial monument which erected to commemorate the struggle of Indonesian people to seize independence from the Dutch East Indies colonial rule. The construction of Monas began in 1961 under the direction of President Sukarno. It was started after the central government of the Republic of Indonesia returned to Jakarta from Yogyakarta in 1950. Following the recognition of the sovereignty of the Republic of Indonesia by the Dutch government in 1949, President Sukarno began to contemplate the construction of a national monument equivalent to the Eiffel Tower on the square in front of the presidential palace. The construction of Monas Monument aims to commemorate and preserve the struggle of the Indonesian nation during the 1945 Independence Revolution, in order to continue to generate inspiration and the spirit of patriotism for the next generation of nation. On 17 of August 1954, a National Monument Committee was established and a competition to design a national monument was held in 1955, which won by Frederick Silaban. But however, Mr. Sukarno didn't like the design and wanted the monument to be in the shape of a linga and yoni. Mr. Silaban changed his design, but his was too extraordinary so that the cost was very large and could not be borne by the state budget at the time. By the way, if you wanna know how I bake the cake, it is in the previous serial entitled Borobudur, the Forgotten Wonder of the World. Mr. R.M. Sudarsono, who continued with the design, included the numbers 17, 8, and 45, representing the 17th of August 1945, the proclamation of Indonesian independence, in the design of the monument. The official start of construction was on 17 of August 1961 with Mr. Sukarno ceremonially driving in the first concrete pile. The design of the Monas Monument is based on the concept of an eternal universal pair linga and yoni. The linga and the yoni are the symbols of fertility and harmonious unity that have complemented each other from the prehistoric times in Indonesia, which be interpreted as a pair of alu and lesung, a rice pounding device found in every traditional Indonesian peasant household. Thus, the design of Monas is full of dimensions typical of Indonesian culture. At every corner of the outer courtyard surrounding the monument, there are reliefs depicting Indonesian history. This relief begins in the northeast corner by capturing the past triumphs of the archipelago, displays the history of Singasari and Majapahit. Chronologically depicts the Dutch colonial period, the resistance of Indonesian people, and national heroes. The formation of modern organizations fighting for Indonesia in the early 20th century, the youth split, the Japanese occupation, and the Second World War. The Indonesian National History Museum has a display of dioramas in the large marble-lined hall below ground level. There are a total of 51 dioramas around the walls and in the center of the hall. The dioramas begin in the northeast corner, displaying the scenes from Indonesian history from the beginning during the earliest days of prehistoric Indonesia. The Independence Hall holds a symbol of the state and independence of the Republic of Indonesia. The original text of the Proclamation of Indonesian Independence is stored in a glass box inside a gilded gate. This mechanical door is also known as the Gate of Independence. It mechanically opens while playing the song Padamu Negeri, followed by a recording of Mr. Sukarno's voice reading the text of the proclamation on 17th of August 1945. An elevator was installed inside the monument, and from the top platform we can view all parts of the city of Jakarta. The Monas Monument was officially opened to the public on 12th of July 1975. At the top of the National Monument is a cup that supports the flames of a bronze lamp that weighs 14.5 tons and is coated with 35 kilograms of gold. The top of the monument is Api Nantak Kujung Padam, which means that the Indonesian nation will always have a burning spirit in fighting and never subside or go out all the time. Merdeka! Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share, and smash that subscribe button. And also switch the bell on to notify you whenever I upload new videos. See ya!